Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see if you are on recovery mode on your Xiaomi mobile, and if you are unable to find out the way to come out of this recovery mode, this is the video for you. Let's see what exactly we can do while you are on recovery mode and connected to your laptop and doing something. And if you want to come out of your recovery mode, or by any chance accidentally you get into this mode without knowing, then also it will be useful. So to do or to come out of this recovery mode, what exactly you have to do is you have to hold your power button for certain seconds, and this will take you out of your recovery mode on your Xiaomi phone. So simply holding my power button is making my work. Let's see. Yes, I left, and my Android One logo has appeared here. After that, my Xiaomi Mi logo will appear. Once my Xiaomi Mi logo appears, that means mobile is working perfectly and you have come out of your recovery mode. That's so simple, right? I'll show it to you one more time. If you are on your recovery mode by accident or knowingly also, if you want to come out of your recovery mode, you have to just press your power button for certain seconds so that it will do your work and you will come out of your recovery mode. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel and like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.